My name is Evan Boutwell, and this presentation will discuss distributing products. Distribution describes all of the logistics involved in delivering a company's product or service from the producer to the consumer. Distribution channels are marketing organizations that connect the producer to the consumer. The two most common channels are the consumer and the business channel. Ways producers connect with the consumer in these two channels are through direct and indirect distribution. In direct channel distribution, the producer sells directly to the consumer. Producers sell their goods by setting up retail outlets and internet sales. This allows for high profits for manufacturers. When using indirect channel distribution, producers use a middleman to get the product to the customer. Those intermediaries consist of retailers, wholesalers, and agents. Retailers buy from the producer and then turn around and sell that product to the consumer. Wholesalers sell products to other firms, and agents are middlemen that are paid on commission by the producer. Wholesalers are a type of middleman that sells products to other firms. These types of middlemen help retailers by buying in large quantities and selling in smaller quantities, and they are able to stock in one place the variety of goods the retailers need. Wholesalers also benefit the manufacturer as well. They provide a sales force, inventory reduction, assume credit risk, and furnish market information. There are two main types of wholesalers: merchant wholesalers and agents and brokers. Merchant wholesalers are those who purchase the larger quantities and sells them in smaller quantities to other wholesalers, retailers, government users, industrial users, and farm users. Agents and brokers both represent both the buyer and suppliers. Agents expedite exchanges and usually hold a permanent position and work for commission. Brokers tend to specialize in a particular commodity and their positions are temporary. Retailers are the final link between producers and consumers in indirect channel distribution. There are two main types of retailers. You have independent retailers, in which a firm operates only one retail outlet, and chain retailers, where a company operates more than one retail outlet. Retailer classification. Department stores sell home furnishings, appliances, family apparel, and household linens. Discount stores are self-service general merchandise outlets that sell products at lower prices. Warehouse showrooms are large facilities with a large inventory. Convenience stores are small food stores that sell a limited variety of products. Supermarkets are large self-service stores that sell food and household products. Superstores are large retail stores that carry food and household items, but also have clothes and other items. Warehouse clubs are members-only stores that sell a variety of items. Traditional specialty stores are stores that have a very narrow product mix. Off-price retailers sell overrun items, returned items, and seasonal items. Finally, we have category killers, which are very large specialty stores that sell a single product line at lower prices. Producers can go a non-traditional route and sell their products through non-store selling. They do this by using either direct sales, which is a marketing face-to-face with the customer, direct marketing, which is using telephones or the internet, and vending machines, which use machines to dispense products. Shopping centers are self-contained retail facilities that have a large variety of stores. There are four types of shopping centers. A lifestyle shopping center can use an open-air configuration and has national chain specialty stores. A neighborhood shopping center has convenience stores and specialty stores. Community shopping centers have a few department stores, a few specialty stores, and a few convenience stores. A regional shopping center has large department stores, specialty stores, restaurants, theaters, and even hotels. When discussing product distribution, supply chain management must be addressed. Supply chain management is a long-term partnership among all of the channel members. It requires cooperation between the entire market channel. Technology has had a major impact on supply chain management. It has allowed for producers to increase productivity, reduce inventory and cycle times, and reduce waste. Part of supply chain management is physical product distribution. This is all the activities that are concerned with efficient movement of the product from producer to the consumer. The ultimate goal is to make sure the right product reaches the consumer at the right place at the right time. There are several different functions involved in the physical distribution process. Inventory management is the process of managing inventory to reduce cost. Order processing is all of the activities that are involved in receiving and filling customer orders. Warehousing is the activities involved in receiving and storing products. Material handling is the physical handling of goods, and transportation is the shipment of products to the customer using different carriers. Carriers are a firm's transportation service that delivers the final product to the customer. The most common types of carriers are railroads, trucks, airplanes, waterways, and pipelines. Airplanes are a lot quicker way of transportation compared to waterways, but it is also more costly to the company. When choosing a carrier, companies look at 6 different criteria: cost, speed, dependability, load flexibility, accessibility, and frequency. Depending on the company's needs, different carriers will be used.